So I have new video here. This is I'm going to do two color print. I'm going to um, program this job, your job, and then first enter program and enter program and program heads, reset, and start. Now it's printing. So this is the two color pullback design. So that's the first color, white. It's good. This is white. This is first color. I'm going to do is 2 hits white and then 1 hit aqua blue. So it's like 2 color white and blue. So first color here. Color here now. We go in here. It's like flashing now. So it's flashing my first white. Flashing means like drying my first white. You see, this is my first white here. We're doing the second white now. That's my second white. Really nice and bright white. It's going to flash again over there and then do the aqua blue here on this side. So printing the second color now. It's the pressure, 60 psi. That's the finished product. Really simple 2-color logo. It's nice but simple.